Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Apple iPhone 6 or 6s hybrid full protection cover. So let's go ahead and get it started. The reason I got this because my mother-in-law keep on dropping her phone, and I put like a glass protection on there already on the screen. But somehow she keep on drop it and break it, so I been changing quite a lot of screen on that device. So hopefully this will prevent from future dropping and damage the screen. So this one is the pink color. She likes pink, so hopefully I don't need to return it. So this is a nice thick, has a thick bumper guard case and mixed with the plastic, and it is made in China. So this is a fully cover case, front and back. And then the OK that she has is only like a half. And then the top, you got no plastic to protect it, even though I put the glass protection on there. So when she dropped it on the ground, it got cracked. So let's open this real quick. There's like a groove right there. You could just open it easily, okay? Then you gotta get in between. So these are like 3 pieces, okay? Hopefully, I know sometimes it's kind of pinkish color or red color, they tend to get rubbed off, so you gotta watch out on that. And then that's how they sandwich together. So you got this nice silicone or the TPU rubberized bumper guard, which is you're gonna get fully protected because on the corner it is pretty thick. So you prevent from the shockproof, you know, from dropping it. It says designed in Germany, made in China. Wow. Alright, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification. So whenever I drop new and latest video, you can check them out instantly. Alright, so thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video like always. Peace.